useful to hold commands that you need to type regularly. It can be very inconvenient to have to type the same command again and again. Let's take an example of a useful command that one may need to enter regularly. We will use the example of a command to save a copy of all of your files in a safe place. Before we start writing the script, we need a safe place to put all of your files. Your files are normally in /home/username. Therefore, the safe place must be somewhere else. We will create a special directory called /backup by using the command sudo mdir/backup. The mdir command makes a new directory. By default, the user pi can only write to files in /home/username. This is to prevent accidental damage to other users or to the system files. By adding sudo to the mdir command, the user gains the authority to create a directory outside the normal working area. One can go to start of the file system to see the backup directory just created. Creating the directory is not enough. To be able to completely control this directory, the chown command is used to change ownership of the directory. Now the user is in full control of this directory. Now, to delete the backup directory, simply type the command sudo rm or backup and hit enter. See that the directory is no longer there. Clear the terminal to start afresh. Script this time. Again, enter the directory making and ownership changing commands at first. Then enter the command nano backup to write the basic file. Save the file by Ctrl+O followed by enter. To exit editor, press Ctrl+X. See that the file named backup is created in the username directory. To run the script, enter command bash backup followed by enter. See the script runs, though with some obvious errors that need to be fixed on re-edit. Overcome the errors, edit the script as shown. The script is self-explaining in lines, starting with hashtag. After editing the script to be of 26 lines in total, save and exit. Now, on running the script with bash command, the error is due to the blank line added to the end of the script that can be easily fixed by removing that blank line with a backspace on re-editing. Anyways, bash command with less can be used to scroll up and down the file. Press Q to quit the file if less is used with bash command. The last step is to make this script an executable file. This will allow you to run the script without putting bash before the name. To make the file executable, enter the command chmod plus xbackup. This turns on plus the executable X permission for this file.